everybody. Hope everyone's having a good day and a good weekend so far. And welcome to my channel, guys. This is what's in my makeup bag for 2024. I cleaned it out, condensed it to the stuff that I really don't need but use. I am in my favorite unicorn bag. I got this at Meijer's like a long time ago. I am in the middle of cleaning it, of course. I just got some hand lotion by LA Colors, some blushes, got some face powder, my concealer, lip glosses, mascara, brushes. I had this brush forever. I think I got it in a Color Workshop makeup set. I don't even remember, but I've had this brush a really long time. Yeah. And this is an old e.l.f. Kabuki, and I got these at the Dollar Tree. These are the Emmy Rose. I really like these brushes. But that is what I have in my makeup bag for 2024 so far. Like I said, I cleaned it and condensed it. If you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comment. Remember to hit that notification bell. If you don't, you never know when I upload. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day.